These are 10 AI-powered spy gadgets that make ordinary technology look like something pulled straight out of a surveillance lab. The strangest part is that some of them cost less than a nice dinner, while others give you capabilities that would have sounded completely impossible just a few years ago. So stay until the end, because this list gets more unsettling the further we go. 1. AI Spy Pen Camera. A pen is probably one of the last objects anyone expects to be suspicious. You pick one up from a desk, sign a document, write down a phone number, or leave it sitting beside a notebook, and nobody gives it a second thought. That is exactly what makes the AI Spy Pen camera such an interesting piece of technology. From the outside, it looks like an ordinary writing instrument. There is nothing dramatic about it. No oversized lens, no futuristic display, and no obvious piece of surveillance equipment hanging from the side. However, hidden inside that familiar design can be a miniature camera capable of recording video, while the pen still functions as a normal writing tool. Some models add motion detection, local memory through a microSD card, rechargeable batteries, and automatic recording features. Instead of manually starting a recording every time, motion-triggered models can begin capturing when movement enters their field of view. And this is where the gadget starts to feel completely different from an ordinary camera. A traditional security camera announces itself. You can see it mounted in a corner, recognize the lens, and understand immediately what it is doing. A camera disguised as a pen removes that visual warning completely. At around $36, this is also one of the cheapest gadgets on the list. But if a camera hidden in a pen sounds impressive, wait until you get to something that does not need a camera at all. 2. Walabot Home Wall Radar Sensor. What if you could detect movement on the other side of a wall without actually seeing through it? That sounds like science fiction, but radar sensing technology has made this concept much more realistic. The Walabot Home is designed around radar-based sensing rather than conventional optical cameras. Instead of pointing a lens at a person, the device uses radio frequency sensing to detect changes in movement through certain wall materials. That makes the technology especially interesting for situations where a camera would be inappropriate. A person living alone could potentially be monitored for unusual movement patterns or falls without having a camera pointed directly at them. Walabot Home is priced at approximately $199. That is not pocket change, but it is still remarkably affordable when you consider the type of sensing technology involved. And once you understand what radar can do, the idea of a wall being a complete barrier to sensing starts to disappear. 3. Brickhouse Security GPS Tracker. A GPS tracker used to require bulky hardware, complicated installation, and a relatively specialized setup. Now, you can get a tiny tracking device that can fit into the palm of your hand. The Brickhouse Security GPS Tracker is one example of how small modern location technology has become. Depending on the model and configuration, devices in this category can be attached to vehicles. Some versions use magnetic mounting, making installation particularly easy on compatible metal surfaces. A tracker does not have to continuously transmit a giant map of someone's location directly to your phone. For businesses, this can be useful for fleet management and for families. Tracking a vehicle can provide an additional layer of safety. The gadget may look harmless. The information it can generate is anything but harmless. And if you think knowing where something is sounds powerful, the next device lets you see a completely different layer of the world. 4. FLIR One Pro Thermal Camera. Regular cameras need visible light. Thermal cameras do not. That single difference completely changes what you can see. The FLIR One Pro can turn a compatible smartphone into a thermal imaging device, allowing the phone to display differences in heat rather than simply showing ordinary colors and visible light. Suddenly, objects that look identical to your eyes can appear completely different on the screen. You do not need a flashlight for thermal imaging to work. Instead of relying on reflected light, the sensor detects infrared energy and converts the information into a visual representation. However, once you hold one in your hand, it becomes obvious why this technology feels so advanced. You are essentially looking at information your eyes cannot normally perceive. FLIR One Pro is valued at around $393. That makes it one of the more expensive gadgets on this list. But unlike a novelty spy gadget, thermal imaging can be an extremely practical professional tool. So, while it may look like a spy device, this is really a powerful sensing instrument that happens to make your smartphone feel like something from the future. 5. Vantrue E1 Lite AI Dashcam. The Vantrue E1 Lite is an example of the newer generation of compact driving cameras designed to do more than simply record video. Depending on the configuration, modern AI-assisted dashcams can provide features such as driver monitoring, motion detection, collision alerts, parking surveillance, and intelligent event recording. Instead of forcing the driver to review hours of footage after every trip, AI-assisted systems can help identify moments that deserve attention. The real attraction is not necessarily the camera itself. It is the ability to turn thousands of seconds of ordinary driving footage into a smaller collection of meaningful events. For fleet operators, that can be extremely useful. For parents, a dash cam can provide insight into how a new driver is behaving behind the wheel. And for ordinary drivers, it can provide evidence when an accident occurs and help establish what actually happened. The price of the Van True E1 Lite is at approximately $85. And for that kind of money, the amount of technology packed into a tiny dashboard camera is impressive. 6. Hidden camera detector. Not every spy gadget is designed to help you spy. Some are designed to help you find out whether someone is spying on you. A hidden camera detector is built for exactly that purpose. These compact devices can combine different detection methods, including radio frequency scanning and optical lens detection. The RF side looks for wireless signals that may be associated with transmitting devices. The optical side works differently. A bright detection light can help reveal reflections from camera lenses that might otherwise blend into their surroundings. This becomes particularly useful when you enter an unfamiliar private space. Most of the time, there is a perfectly innocent explanation. But if something genuinely suspicious is present, a dedicated detector can give you another way to investigate. Some models also claim AI-assisted filtering, designed to distinguish ordinary wireless signals from patterns associated with surveillance equipment. However, no consumer detector is magic. Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth devices, phones, smart appliances, and other electronics can generate signals that complicate detection. Some cameras may also record locally instead of transmitting continuously. So, a detector should be treated as one layer of a broader privacy check rather than an absolute guarantee that a room contains no recording device. And that brings us to another tiny device that can reveal where something has been. 7. Tile Ultra Precision Finder. At first glance, the Tile Ultra looks like a tiny tracker for keys. And technically, that is exactly what it is designed to be. But modern item trackers have become surprisingly sophisticated. The Tile Ultra uses advanced location technology to help users locate tagged belongings with greater precision than traditional Bluetooth-only tracking. Instead of simply telling you that an item is somewhere nearby, precision finding technology can help guide you toward its approximate direction and location when compatible hardware and conditions allow it. That makes it useful for luggage, backpacks, keys, wallets, cameras, and other valuables. Then there is the larger network effect. A lost tracker can potentially benefit from nearby devices participating in the tracking network, allowing its location information to be updated even when the owner is not standing next to it. This is an incredibly useful concept when you have genuinely lost something. The Tile Ultra is valued at around $58. Whether you are using it to recover a suitcase or simply avoid losing your keys for the 100th time, it is another example of how sophisticated location technology has become incredibly small. 8. HIC Micro-Thermal Imaging Camera. If the FLIR 1 Pro makes a smartphone feel like a thermal camera, a dedicated HIC Micro-Thermal Imaging Camera takes the concept much further. These handheld devices are built specifically around thermal imaging rather than using it as an accessory feature. That means the entire design can be optimized around detecting and displaying heat. In total darkness, thermal imaging can still show warm objects. In poor visibility, it can provide information that ordinary cameras cannot. For professionals, that makes thermal cameras useful for inspection, wildlife observation, search and rescue, security work, and many other applications. The technology is especially interesting because every living person and animal gives off infrared energy. The price of this gadget is $419 depending on the model. The final two gadgets move away from seeing heat and tracking objects and into the invisible world of wireless signals. 9. Professional RF Signal Detector. Professional RF detectors are designed to scan frequencies and identify activity across different parts of the radio spectrum. That makes them useful for security professionals, technicians, investigators, and people performing privacy assessments. For example, if a suspicious wireless transmitter is operating nearby, a suitable RF detector may identify unusual signal activity. Some models can also help users distinguish between different signal patterns, although the accuracy and usefulness depend heavily on the device's frequency range, sensitivity, antenna design, and software. And this is where the technology starts to feel like something from a spy thriller. The more advanced systems can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Professional-grade models are valued at around $1,995. Finally, we get to a gadget that brings together the entire theme of this list. 10. AI smart speaker with far-field microphones. This final gadget does not look like a spy device at all. In fact, it probably looks like the most ordinary object on this entire list, a smart speaker. Millions of people already have devices like these sitting on kitchen counters, office desks, bedrooms, and living room shelves. Their entire purpose is based on listening. The microphone needs to hear a wake word from across a room. That means the microphones have to be surprisingly sensitive. A modern smart speaker is not simply a speaker. It is a microphone connected to software, cloud services, artificial intelligence, and a network connection. That does not automatically mean it is secretly recording everything around you. Modern systems generally use specific processing mechanisms designed to recognize wake words and determine when an interaction should be handled by the assistant. So, which of these 10 gadgets surprised you the most? Drop your pick in the comments, stay subscribed, keep an eye on the description for the products mentioned in this video, and I will see you in the next one.